Welcome to Inoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making Malai Paratha, soft layered paratha filled with rich homemade malai, sweet, creamy and perfect for special breakfast or tea time. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add 100 ml milk gradually and mix to make a soft dough. Dough should be soft for better layering. Rub some oil on top and keep aside to rest. Now making the malai filling. In a pan add 1 teaspoon ghee, half cup milk, 1/4 cup milk powder and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix well and cook until thickened. Cook malai until thick but not dry. Keep aside to cool. Take some dough and roll it. Spread a little oil. Fold as shown. Cut in halves. Roll again to create layers. Layering technique creates soft texture. Roll into a paratha. And spread the prepared malai filling. Do not overfill to avoid breaking. Sprinkle pistachio. Pistachio adds crunch and flavor. Fold properly. Fry on medium heat. Malai paratha combines bread and dessert in one dish. Milk powder makes the filling richer. Spread oil. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. And cook both sides until golden and well done. Serve warm. Milk provides calcium and protein. Homemade filling controls sweetness. Ghee adds traditional flavor in small quantity. Enjoy moderately as an occasional treat. Your malai paratha is ready, soft, creamy and delicious. Perfect for special mornings or tea time. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Follow Inoven Cake and Cookies for more traditional recipes.